through a rainforest, pretending nothing is happening. But in reality, a creature that could kill you might just pass you by without even touching you. The 10 most terrifying animals in the world. Some of them are huge and powerful, while others are just a speck of dust, but they've killed millions of people. At the top of our list is a creature that has killed more people than even a lion. Watch until the end, because the animal in first place will surprise you. Here it is. Number 10. Sharks. Sharks have inhabited our oceans for over 400 million years, which makes them older than dinosaurs. There are over 500 different species of sharks. Most of them are harmless to humans, but a few species, such as the great white shark, tiger shark, and bull shark, are responsible for most attacks. Sharks have an amazing sense of smell. They can detect small amounts of blood in the water from long distances. They also use special sensors to detect electrical signals produced by living animals. Despite their fearsome reputation, shark attacks are actually rare. However, when they do occur, they can be very dangerous due to the shark's powerful jaws and sharp teeth. Most attacks occur because sharks mistake surfers or swimmers for seals, one of their favorite foods. A small number of people are killed by sharks each year, but movies and television have made them one of the most feared animals in the world. Although sharks are dangerous, humans kill millions of sharks each year through fishing, which puts many species at risk. Respecting the ocean as their home and their habitat is the best way to avoid dangerous encounters. Now let's move on to number 9. As the king of the jungle, the lion is one of the most powerful predators on Earth. Surprisingly, lions do not actually live in jungles. They mainly live in the grasslands and savannas of Africa, while a small population survives in India. An adult male lion can weigh over 250 kilograms and run at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour for short distances. Their powerful muscles, sharp claws, and strong jaws make them excellent hunters. Unlike most big cats, lions live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of several females, their cubs, and one or more adult males. The lionesses do most of the hunting, working together to surround and capture their prey. Lions usually hunt zebras, antelopes, buffaloes, and other large animals. However, they can become dangerous to humans if they feel threatened, if they are protecting their territory, or if they have difficulty finding their natural prey. Throughout history, there have been famous cases of man-eating lions. One of the best-known examples happened in Kenya in 1898, where 2 lions attacked and killed many railway workers before they were finally stopped. Although attacks on humans are uncommon, lions are responsible for around 200 human deaths every year in Africa. Today, lions face serious threats from habitat loss, illegal hunting, and conflicts with people. Their population has declined significantly over the past century, making conservation efforts more important than ever. The lion is a symbol of strength and courage, but in the wild it remains one of the world's most dangerous predators. Number 8. Crocodile. Crocodiles are among the oldest living creatures on Earth. They have existed for more than 200 million years and survived the extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs. These massive reptiles can grow over 6 meters long and weigh more than 1,000 kilograms. They are found in rivers, lakes, swamps, and coastal waters across Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Americas. Crocodiles are masters of patience. They can remain completely still for hours, waiting for the perfect moment to attack. When an animal comes close to the water, the crocodile explodes with incredible speed. Their jaws are among the strongest in the animal kingdom, producing thousands of pounds of biting force. Once they catch their prey, escaping is almost impossible. One of their most terrifying hunting techniques is the death roll. After grabbing an animal, the crocodile spins its body rapidly in the water, tearing apart its prey and making it easier to swallow. Unlike many predators, crocodiles are willing to attack animals much larger than themselves, including buffaloes, zebras, and sometimes even humans. Every year, crocodiles are responsible for hundreds of attacks on people, especially in areas where communities live close to rivers and lakes. Although they usually avoid humans, entering crocodile habitats or swimming in dangerous waters greatly increases the risk of an attack. Powerful, patient, and nearly invisible beneath the water, crocodiles remain one of the world's most dangerous predators. Number 7. Hippopotamus. At first glance, a hippopotamus may look calm, slow, and even friendly. But don't let its appearance fool you. The hippopotamus is one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. An adult hippo can weigh more than 3,000 kilograms, making it one of the heaviest land animals on Earth. Despite its enormous size, it can run at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, much faster than most people expect. Hippos spend most of the day in rivers and lakes to keep their bodies cool. At night, they leave the water to feed on grass, sometimes traveling several kilometers in search of food. Although they are herbivores and do not hunt other animals, hippos are extremely aggressive when they feel threatened. They fiercely defend their territory, especially if someone gets too close to the water where they live. Their massive mouths can open nearly 180 degrees, revealing huge tusk-like teeth that can grow over 50 centimeters long. A single bite from a hippo is powerful enough to crush bones or even split a small boat in half. Many attacks happen when fishermen or tourists unknowingly enter a hippo's territory. These animals have overturned boats, chased people on land, and attacked without warning. Every year, hippopotamuses are responsible for hundreds of human deaths across Africa, making them one of the continent's deadliest animals. Their incredible strength, speed, and unpredictable behavior make them far more dangerous than most people realize. Now, let's move on to number 6. Number 6. Black Mamba. The black mamba is one of the fastest and most feared snakes in the world. Despite its name, it is not actually black. Its body is usually gray or olive in color, while the inside of its mouth is deep black, giving the snake its terrifying name. Native to eastern and southern Africa, the black mamba can grow over 4 meters long. It is capable of moving at speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest snake on Earth. Unlike many snakes that prefer to escape, the black mamba can become highly aggressive when it feels cornered. It may raise nearly 1/3 of its body off the ground, spread its narrow neck, open its black mouth, and strike several times within seconds. Its venom is extremely powerful. It attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis and making it difficult to breathe. Without rapid medical treatment and anti-venom, a bite can become fatal. A single black mamba can inject enough venom to kill several adult humans. Fortunately, these snakes usually avoid people and attack only when they feel threatened. Most bites occur when people accidentally step too close to the snake or disturb its hiding place among rocks, trees, or tall grass. Because of its incredible speed, deadly venom, and defensive behavior, the black mamba has earned a reputation as one of the world's most dangerous snakes. If you ever encounter one in the wild, the safest choice is to stay calm, back away slowly, and never try to approach or capture it. Now, let's continue.
Number 5. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. Their massive size, incredible intelligence, and remarkable memory make them one of nature's most fascinating creatures. However, they can also be extremely dangerous. An adult African elephant can weigh more than 6,000 kilograms and stand over 4 meters tall. Despite their enormous size, elephants can run at speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Most elephants are peaceful and spend their days eating grass, leaves, bark, and fruit. But when they feel threatened, protect their young, or enter a period known as musth, male elephants can become highly aggressive. During musth, male elephants experience a surge in hormones, making them far more likely to attack anything they see as a threat. An angry elephant can charge without warning, using its powerful tusks, trunk, and massive body to knock down trees, destroy vehicles, and seriously injure or kill people. In some parts of Africa and Asia, conflicts between humans and elephants have become more common as farms and villages expand into elephant habitats. This has led to hundreds of dangerous encounters every year. Despite their strength, elephants are also vulnerable. Habitat loss, illegal ivory hunting, and human activity continue to threaten wild elephant populations. Elephants deserve our respect and protection, but in the wild, they should always be observed from a safe distance. Their incredible power makes them one of the most dangerous animals on the planet. Now, let's move on to number 4. Number 4. Scorpions. Scorpions have existed on Earth for more than 400 million years, making them one of the oldest surviving groups of animals. Today, there are over 2,500 known species, but only a small number possess venom that is dangerous to humans. These creatures are found on every continent except Antarctica. They usually hide under rocks, inside tree bark, or in deserts where they remain hidden during the day and become active at night. Although most scorpions are small, they are skilled hunters. They use their powerful pincers to grab prey and their venomous stinger to deliver a fast and effective attack. Some species, such as the deathstalker scorpion, have venom that affects the nervous system. A sting can cause intense pain, difficulty breathing, muscle spasms, and, in severe cases, can become life-threatening if medical treatment is not received quickly. Children, older adults, and people with certain medical conditions are at the highest risk of serious complications from venomous scorpion stings. Every year, millions of people are stung by scorpions around the world, and thousands require emergency medical care. Fortunately, scorpions rarely attack humans without a reason. Most stings happen when someone accidentally steps on one or reaches into a place where a scorpion is hiding. Their small size may make them easy to overlook, but their venom can make them one of the most dangerous creatures on Earth. Now, let's continue to number 3. Number 3, box jellyfish. The box jellyfish is often considered the most venomous marine animal on Earth. Although it looks delicate and almost transparent, it carries a venom powerful enough to kill a human within minutes. These jellyfish are mainly found in the warm coastal waters of northern Australia and parts of Southeast Asia. Because their bodies are nearly invisible in clear water, swimmers often do not see them until it is too late. A box jellyfish has long tentacles covered with thousands of tiny stinging cells. When these tentacles touch the skin, they instantly release venom into the body. The venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin at the same time. Victims often experience unbearable pain, difficulty breathing, and in severe cases, cardiac arrest. Some people are unable to swim back to shore after being stung because the pain is so intense. Every year, beaches in dangerous areas are closed during jellyfish season to protect swimmers. Lifeguards also place warning signs and special nets to reduce the risk of attacks. Although fatalities are rare in places with quick medical treatment, the box jellyfish remains one of the deadliest sea creatures ever discovered. The best way to stay safe is to obey local warning signs, wear protective clothing when swimming in high-risk areas, and never touch a jellyfish, even if it appears to be dead. Now, let's move on to number
2. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile on Earth and one of the most powerful predators ever known. Some males grow longer than 7 meters and can weigh more than 1,000 kilograms. These giant reptiles live in rivers, swamps, estuaries, and coastal waters across Australia, Southeast Asia, and parts of India. They are excellent swimmers and can travel hundreds of kilometers across the ocean in search of new territory. Unlike many wild animals, saltwater crocodiles do not fear humans. They are highly territorial and will attack almost anything that enters their hunting area. Their hunting strategy is simple but deadly. They wait silently beneath the water with only their eyes and nostrils visible. When a victim comes close, they explode from the water with incredible speed, grabbing their prey with one of the strongest bites in the animal kingdom. After capturing their victim, they often perform the terrifying death roll, spinning violently to tear flesh and pull the prey underwater until it drowns. Saltwater crocodiles can eat fish, birds, deer, wild pigs, buffalo, sharks, and even other crocodiles. Their diet includes almost any animal they can overpower. Every year, these crocodiles are responsible for numerous fatal attacks in areas where people live or work near rivers and coastal waters. Despite their deadly reputation, they are an important part of the ecosystem and help maintain the balance of nature. If you ever see a warning sign about crocodiles, take it seriously. Staying away from crocodile habitats is the safest way to avoid becoming their next victim. Now, it's time to reveal the most dangerous animal on Earth. Number 1. Mosquito. The most dangerous animal on Earth is not a lion, a shark, or a crocodile. It is the tiny mosquito. Mosquitoes are found almost everywhere in the world except the coldest regions. Although they are only a few millimeters long, they are responsible for more human deaths every year than any other animal. What makes mosquitoes so deadly is not their bite itself, but the diseases they carry. They spread dangerous illnesses such as malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever, Zika virus, West Nile virus, and chikungunya. According to global health organizations, hundreds of millions of people become infected with mosquito-borne diseases every year, and hundreds of thousands die, especially in tropical and subtropical regions. Only female mosquitoes bite humans because they need blood to produce eggs. During feeding, they can transfer harmful parasites or viruses directly into the bloodstream. Scientists and doctors around the world continue working on vaccines, better treatments, and mosquito control programs. Thanks to these efforts, many lives are saved every year, but mosquitoes remain one of humanity's greatest natural threats. The best protection is simple: use insect repellent, sleep under mosquito nets in high-risk areas, wear long clothing when possible, and remove standing water where mosquitoes breed. Sometimes, the smallest creatures can be far more dangerous than the largest predators. Ending, and that's our list of the 10 most dangerous animals in the world. Which animal surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below.